Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your SONY Xperia one, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, click on the search and type here CLONEit. This is the name of the application that we are going to use to transfer data, and of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. I just did it, so right now I can open these apps on the both smartphones. Click here allow, click on the yes I agree, click sender on the Android phone and receiver on your Xperia. Click allow, tap on the set, use this switcher and just go back. Okay, as you can see we are back in the settings. I don't know why, but you have to open the background apps, swipe and open it. Click on the receiver, tap on the search again, and right now just wait. Click on this Android share icon, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So you have to select how you want to connect. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything you have to select all of these icons and then click on start. But if you want to get some details like a few songs or one video, you have to click on the details, and for example I'm going to show you on the music how it looks. So I'm going to unselect all of the songs and I will only take these two. Click start, okay, and it's finished. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.